Have you ever wondered how design metrics compete with each other? How does the tug of war between size and performance impact the final product? It's a fascinating dance of compromise and optimization, one that designers navigate on a daily basis. Consider the size versus performance conundrum. On one hand, there's a push to reduce the size of an implementation. Smaller designs can be more cost-effective, easier to integrate, and more appealing to users. A sleek, streamlined product or interface often scores high on aesthetics and user-friendly design. On the other hand, there's performance. It's all about how well the design functions, how fast it operates, how much it can handle. A larger design often translates to a more powerful performance, which can be a critical factor in many industries. Imagine a graphic software that can't handle high-resolution images or a skyscraper that can't withstand high winds. The performance is as crucial as the size. So how do these two metrics compete? Well, reducing the size of an implementation might cause the performance to suffer. For instance, a smaller software might not have the capacity to handle complex operations, or a compact building might not have the structural strength of a larger one. Conversely, prioritizing performance might lead to a bulkier design, which could be less appealing or cost-effective. But this isn't a zero-sum game. It's not about choosing size over performance or vice versa. It's about finding the right balance. It's about creating a design that's as compact as possible without compromising its performance, or as powerful as possible without becoming unwieldy. And this balancing act is where the real magic happens. It's where designers employ creativity, innovation, and technical know-how to create something that's greater than the sum of its parts. It's where size and performance stop being competing metrics and start being complementary aspects of a well-rounded design. To summarize, size and performance are two key design metrics that often compete with each other. Reducing the size of an implementation might affect its performance, and prioritizing performance might lead to a larger design. But the goal is not to choose one over the other. It's to find the right balance, to create a design that's both compact and powerful, aesthetically pleasing and functionally robust, and that's the challenge and the beauty of design.